On Gibbs Law. If hot solution, saturate, be set upon a ledge to cool, rayed crystals will precipitate on dust no thicker than a molecule. When the slow chilling of the night crosses the threshold of the freeze, the stars shine out as sharp and bright as frost flowers in their fractal vortices. The first white gas that was the world, to ease the heat and press of birth, froze into forms as it unfurled the starry galaxies, the living earth. Such pressure drives this crystal trance, this thickening of art and hour, where order tumbles from the dance of dying syllables and forms a flower.